Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about how we can build a resume based upon the JD. So what happened? Whenever we apply for a job in a different company, so let's say we are going to apply in 100 company, but out of 100 that we receive a 5, 8 or 10, max to max 15 interview calls that we received. So why these things happen? Why we are not getting the more interview calls? Why our resumes are not getting shortlisted? So this is because of our resume, because whatever the JD that we have, whatever the companies they have posted a JD over the career website or over any job portal like LinkedIn or the Naukri.com. So based upon the JD, we did not have our resume. So that's why we are not getting the interview calls. That's why our resumes are not getting shortlisted. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how that we can develop or how we can build our resume based upon the job description. So here I'm going to use a ChatGPT, and based upon the ChatGPT, then we can build our entire resume based upon the JD, job description. Okay, so here I'm going to use a ChatGPT. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to create an account and you need to sign up over the ChatGPT. After that, you will get this types of the window where we have a GPT 3.5. So this is the free that we have right now. Okay, so we are going to use a free platform. Now in this particular GPT, we need to write a prompt. Okay, so whenever we are using a ChatGPT, so prompt is a very important part that we have. Okay, so we need to write a complete prompt in a detail and concise, complete detail and the concise prompt that we need to write. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to write one of the prompts. So first that I'm going to write, let me write it down the complete prompt here. So this is the complete prompt that I have. Now in this particular prompt, as you can see that I have mentioned, act as a resume builder who creates a resume according to a job description. So we are going to build a resume according to the job description. Now here that I mentioned some of the points. So I'm looking for a resume for a data science profile. I have a 4 years of experience. Don't worry, I will discuss freshers as well as a experienced person. Let's first of all try to discuss for the experience. Okay, so I have a 4 years of experience in a data science. I've worked in a 2 companies and I want to show this data science experience in these 2 companies. Okay, so again here if you have a experience of first company that you have experience in a non-tech, let's say the sales, marketing or the civil or the electrical or the mechanical, in this case you can mention, okay, so one company that I want to showcase as a electrical or the mechanical experience, and in one company that I want to showcase as a data science experience. Okay, now after that, make sure you add some real-time experience and the use cases according to the job description in the resume. Now please provide the resume, this resume in the proper format and wait for the provide you the job description. So we will provide the complete job description, and based upon the job description, then our ChatGPT it will build an entire resume. So in this way, first of all, that we need to write a complete, in detail, concise prompt. So here that I started with act as a resume builder who creates the resume according to the job description. Okay, after that here that I mentioned some of the points. So I'm looking for the resume for the data science. I have a total 4 years of experience. Then I worked in the 2 companies, and make sure you can add a real-time experience and the use cases according to the job description. Okay, now let me hit enter. Whenever I hit enter, now as you can see here, suddenly please provide the job description and tailor the resume according to the whatever the responses that we will get. So now it's time to write it down the complete job description. So for this one, what I'm going to do, let me open my LinkedIn profile. So this is my LinkedIn profile that I have, and here as you can see, lots of senior data scientist profile that I have selected. Now what I'm going to do from here, that I'm going to select some of the roles and responsibility. So the first that I have here, a data science lead. So for this particular job role and this particular company that we have, Puntnam. Okay, now here I'm going to select a complete responsibility, a primary responsibility. Let me select the complete responsibility from here. Let me open my ChatGPT, and then I'm going to paste here. Nothing else, that we can just copy and paste. Let me press the enter button. Now just wait here. So this is the complete resume that we will get one by one. So just wait for the complete resume, and after that we can do the modification. So now as you can see here, this is the complete resume detail that we are getting. So mention your name first, add your address, your email ID, your phone number, LinkedIn, and the GitHub profile. So if I show you one of the example here, so as you can see here that I have one of the example. So yes, Shivan Kumar, data scientist, and first of all we need to enter our complete information like email ID, phone number, LinkedIn, YouTube, and whatever your personal information that you have. Okay, now same thing, your address, email ID, phone number, LinkedIn profile, and the GitHub profile. First thing, now complete profile summary. So if I show you here, so here as you can see here that I mentioned my complete profile summary, a data scientist with the 3 years of experience, but based upon this particular profile summary that we need to do the modification in our resume. So dynamic and the result driven data scientist with the 4 years of progressive experience in a leading end-to-end solution and tool development, proven the expertise in all the phases of the model development, statistical analysis, and the machine learning. Why that we are getting these types of the skill set? Because that I have mentioned here, create a resume for a data science profile. So that's why we are getting a complete our development, statistical analysis, and the machine learning part. Okay, after that adapt the providing the thoughts, leadership during the solution design, leading teams, and the implementing the optimized and sustainable ML models. Okay, so in this way, first that we need to write our profile summary. After that, professional experience, so data science lead, current company, location, start date, and the present date. Okay, so we need to enter this particular thing. After that, we have our complete 4 to 5 bulleted point description. So lead a high performing team of data analysts, data scientists, and engineers in a delivery end-to-end solution. Conducted the exploratory data analysis, hypothesis testing, and the feature creation to driven the model development. Implemented the statistical optimization techniques such as gradient descent for the model enhancement, and this is the complete description that we have. Now as you can see in this particular experience, we have the SVM, we have a decision tree, we have the random forest, we have the neural network, a logistic regression. Let's try to compare this complete description with our JD. So if I go here and if I show you here, so as you can see in this particular JD that we have a logistic regression, SVM, decision tree, random forest, neural network. Again this is the regression that we have. So each and everything, the complete algorithm that I have. Again in our description that I have EDA, hypothesis testing, a feature selection, feature creation. So these are the things that we have. So if I show you again, so yes, as you can see, EDA, hypothesis testing, a feature creation, and a model development. So all those things that we have. Now here, these are the complete skills that we have, right? Now if I talk about the second experience, because I have mentioned I have an experience in a 2 company. I have worked in a 2 companies. Okay, and I want to showcase this data science experience in a 2 companies. So that's why we are getting here first companies and the second companies. So data scientist, previous company, location, start date, and the end date. After that, contributed to the development and the deployment of the model, enhancing the company analytical capabilities, conducted the comprehensive data setup, cleanup, training model, model selection, and validation process. After that, here that we have the gain in-depth business understanding in the healthcare. So let me find it out. We have the healthcare keyword in our JD or not. So if I go here and if I search, so let me find it out. So yes, we have the healthcare in our keyword. So based upon the healthcare that we are getting our complete resume, right? Now if I go back again, so healthcare domain in a formulate relevant analytical use cases such as the health economic of outcome research, so HEOR, real world evidence, so ROW, and survivor modeling. So again, these are the some of the keyword that we have in our JD. So based upon the JD that we are getting our previous summary, a previous job description, previous company experience summary that we are getting. Now here we are getting the complete skill set. So Python, R, SQL, TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn, NumPy, Pandas, machine learning, so statistical analysis. Now again NLP. After that gradient descent, healthcare domain, HEOR, business understanding, leadership. So again all the information. So if I search the gradient descent, so again that we will get the gradient descent in our use cases here in our JD. So if I show you here, so somewhere definitely, so what I can do, let me copy and paste. Okay, so we have the our gradient descent. So let me go here and let me paste and let me verify once. Yes, gradient descent that we have. So we are getting. Now again if I show you some others, so HEOR, let me search here once, HEOR, RWE, okay, survival modeling. So again, these things that we have in our here. So if I show you here, so HEOR, REW and the survivor modeling. Okay, based upon this one that we are getting complete skills. Now after that, we can write our complete education, a certificate, professional membership, whatever that we have. Now references. Okay, so in this way that we can build our complete resume. Now what I can do, let me select some other JD. Okay, so here again that I'm going to select some other JD. So let me select the MasterCard. From the MasterCard that I'm going to select the JD. So let me put it down. So this is the overview that we have. No, I need this one, right? So let me copy this complete JD from here. Okay, this particular JD, and after that let me go over the ChatGPT and let me paste here and then click on the send message. So let's wait here. Again that we are getting a complete profile summary, experience one by one in both the company. These are the complete skills that we are getting: education, certification and the professional membership. Okay, let's verify once. So yes, this is the complete summary that we are getting. So here again, like in our JD, that we have a 6 years of experience. So if I show you here, so yes, 6 years of experience that we have. Okay, so that's why we are getting in our profile summary overall a 6 years of experience in a data mining, analytical reporting and the product development within the financial sector. Okay, now these are the complete skills that we have. So proven expertise in the quantitative analysis, advanced SQL skills and the proficiency in the visualization tools such as Power BI, Tableau and so on. Okay, now if I talk about the professional experience, so data management and analytics lead, and here that we have the data analyst. This is the previous experience that we have. Again, lead the data management, analytical and driving the quantitative analysis and the insights driven decision making. Now develop the optimized SQL query. Okay, so whatever the JD that we have, so based upon the JD, whenever we are going to pass the prompt, so based upon the prompt and after that whatever the JD that we have, based upon the JD that we can create our complete resume. So we just need to write a prompt. Based upon our prompt, our ChatGPT, it will develop a complete resume for us. Okay, now if I go back again in our ChatGPT, so here as you can see, these are the complete skills that we have: a data mining, data analytics, data reporting, data product, advanced SQL, store procedure, function view, a Power BI, Tableau, cloud area. So again that we can verify with our this particular job description. So if I show you, so yes, Power BI, Tableau, okay, Microsoft Server, VI, advanced SQL, okay, so advanced SQL that we are getting. Again if I check some other skills as well, so yes, expose in Python, Snowflake. So let me check it out some of the keyword. So yes, we have the Snowflake in our JD again. So if I check some other, like some other, let me check it out, a big data or the Hadoop. So let me check it out, Hadoop. So yes, we have the Hadoop. Okay, so based upon the JD, in this way that we can create a complete resume. So every time whenever you are going to apply for a job, based upon the JD, just try to write a same prompt, whatever the prompt that I have used here, and based upon this particular prompt, create a new resume and then apply for a job. In this way, out of 100, I'm damn sure out of 100, like 80-90 call that you will get if you are going to create a resume in this way. Okay, now let's try to change some of the prompt, little bit prompt. Let's try to change. So let's say if you are a fresher, okay, let's say if you are a fresher, and in this case that we can change a little bit our prompt. So let me pass the complete prompt. So here that we are going to pass our complete prompt for the freshers. So yes, here act as a resume builder who creates the resume on machine learning, natural language processing, LLM and the prompt engineering. So based upon this one that we are going to create our complete resume. I'm looking for a resume for NLP engineer. I have a, let me add here a 4 months intern experience in NLP. I have worked in a 2 company as an intern, and I want to show this data science intern. Let me change this particular 4 to 6 month. Okay, because 3 month that we can divide. Okay, now I've worked in a 2 companies as an intern, and I want to show this data science intern experience in this two company. Make sure you add some real time experience and the use cases. After that, below that we are going to add create a complete resume based upon the above information. Here we are not going to pass any types of the JD, because this is our freshers resume that we have. As you can see here that I have mentioned, wait for the wait for me to provide a complete job description, but here we are not going to provide any types of the job description. Okay, so here we are going to write a complete resume, create a complete resume based upon the above information. So what I can do, let me add as a markdown everywhere a bulleted point. Okay, so in this way that we are going to add a complete bulleted point for our all the points. Yes, so now we are done. Now let me press the enter button. Let me go down last. Now as you can see, this is the complete resume that we are getting. So just wait a few seconds. After that, one by one, that we will get the complete freshers resume. Okay, and again, if you are going to develop a resume in this way, then definitely you will out of 100 that will get 70, 80 or the 85 interview calls. Okay, so yeah, now let's try to understand this one. So yes, based upon the information, now we are getting the complete resume. So your name, first of all, that we need to mention our complete information. A professional summary, so detail oriented and innovative NLP engineer with a 6 month of internship experience in 2 dynamic organization, proven the expertise in natural language processing, machine learning, LLM and the prompt engineering, because like LLM and the prompt engineering, this is the demanding field that we have nowadays. So that's why I mentioned this particular 2 point as well, LLM and the prompt engineering. Ability to contribute in a real-time projects, implemented NLP solution and leveraging the advanced technique, eager to bring the analytical skills and passion for the language technology to challenges the NLP engineer role. Now a professional experience, so NLP intern, so current company, collaborated on NLP projects, contributing to the development and the improvement of a language model, implemented a machine learning algorithm to enhance the efficiency of NLP applications, work on LLM, large language model and the prompt engineering to optimize our model performance, contributed to the analysis and implementation of real world use cases in NLP and solving the complex challenges. Here we have the second role called NLP intern, support the NLP team in designing and implementing the algorithms for language understanding, assisted in the development NLP models including the processing, feature extraction and the model evaluation, collaborated with the cross-functional teams to integrate the NLP solution into the large project. After that, here we have our complete skills like language model, sentiment analysis, name entity recognition, algorithm, model development, evaluation, large language model implementation and optimization, prompt engineering, design and implementation. So programming that we have here, tools and the framework that we have, collaboration and problem solving. Now if I talk about the project, so develop the NLP model for a sentiment analysis using the large data set. After that, you can mention some of the like bulleted point related to your problem statement, the approach or whatever the tools and technology that you have used in this particular project. Again, implemented the name entity recognition system for extracting the entities from the unstructured data. Okay, so these 2 projects that we are getting. So in this way that we can build a complete resume for the freshers as well as for the experienced person based upon the JD. Again, what I can do, let's say if you are a fresher and if you want to build a resume based upon the JD for the fresher person. So in this case, again that we can copy this particular complete prompt and here that we can do the modification in our last line. So in the last line that we can write, wait for me to provide me a complete job description. So wait for me to provide you a complete job description. Now what I can do, let me press the enter button. Now go down. Now you can see, so wait for the job description to create a more tailored resume for you. Okay, now in this case what we can do, again that we can go over the LinkedIn, here that we can find a data science fresher. Let's check if we will get the jobs or not. So that we are searching here. So yes, that we are getting the hiring for the freshers. Okay, now roles and responsibilities. So we are getting the complete roles and responsibility. This one, so not this one, look like the first class support. So this is the like the mentor role that we have, but no, I want something else. So principal data scientist, a freshers. Let me check it out. The freshers, again not this one. A chat process, again no. So what I can do, so let me write freshers data analyst. Let me write it down for the data analyst, because I need to showcase the example. So that's why I'm going to search for the another role. So yes, data analyst that I got, but again I did not have any types of the JD here. So again, yeah, so here we have the JD. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this particular complete JD and then let me go over our chat GPT and here that I'm going to paste. Let me press the enter button. Now based upon this, that we will get the complete resume. So yes, NLP 6 months of experience. Now NLP intern. So this is the NLP intern that we are getting. Now below that we are getting our complete skills. So statistical analysis, visualization, database development, maintenance, collaborative. So again, like this is for the data analyst. In this case, that we need to change our prompt intern experience in a NLP to data analyst. Okay, so in this way that we can build our complete resume for the based upon the JD, based upon the freshers, or based upon whatever the experience that you have. You just need to write a complete prompt. Now this particular prompt that you will get in a description section. So from the description you can just copy and paste and build your entire resume. Now let me show you how that we can build a complete resume based upon this particular whatever the resume format that we have generated with the help of ChatGPT. So you can select a Canva. So again in a Canva that you can search a resume template. So if I search here, so here that we will get the multiple and the like attractive resume format that we will get. So based upon your whatever the format that you want, so you can select here. Okay, so even that you can go ahead with this particular format if you want to attach your images, else you can just go ahead with this types of the format as well. So again this is the good format that we have. Okay, again this is the good format that we have. So you can just click on here. Okay, after that customize this particular template. Now one by one that you can enter the complete details. So if I show you here, so yes, let me copy and paste this particular complete summary. So again the little bit the modification that we can do in this particular summary depends upon our understanding and the JD. So let me copy and paste, and if you want you can just increase or decrease the size. You can just do the bold, you can just select the complete things, do the bold, increase the size, whatever you want. Okay, so you can just like the design based upon your understanding. Now after that we have the profile summary. So again the profile summary that we can select here the your company. So if I copy this one, so this one first that we can write here. So let me write it down here. So this is for the first company. So in this case that we can design, and after that here we have our complete description. So we can copy and paste this particular complete description here. Okay, so information wise that we can do the complete information changes. Again like we can select the second company here. Let me go, and here that I'm going to change. Again the formatting wise you can just check it out the complete formatting and you can design based upon your understanding. Now let me change this particular complete point. So from here that I'm going to copy and paste this particular complete point. Okay, so in this way that you can build a complete resume. So again this is the good resume format that we have. Again if you want you can select some other resume format from here. Okay, so other format that you can select, and apart from this one we have the another platform called FlowCV as well. Again over the FlowCV that you will get the lots of template. Okay, so if you are planning to build a resume over the FlowCV, so I will suggest you this particular format or this one. So these two format that we have the good format. Based upon this particular two format you can build your complete resume. Okay, so yes guys, this is all about our this particular video. Let me know if you have any doubt in a comment section, and yes please like the video, subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.